Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the singular or plural quiz challenge? Test your knowledge with 50 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true grammar master. Watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What is the correct answer? The answer is B, children. What is the right choice? Yes, the right answer is B, apples. Can you choose the correct form? The answer is A, mouse. Which one is the right option? Yes, the right answer is B, leaves. Is it singular or plural? The answer is B, men. Alright, Quizlers. Those were the first 5. How many did you get right? Let's see if you can nail this next one. Yes, the right answer is B, feet. Which word fits correctly? The answer is A, fish. What's the correct option? Yes, the right answer is A, toothbrush. Can you guess the correct word? The answer is B, boxes. Which form is right? Yes, the right answer is A, sheep. What is the correct form of this word? The answer is B, cars. Do you know the correct answer? Yes, the right answer is B, babies. Which word is right? The answer is A, wolf. What's the correct word? Yes, the right answer is B, cities. Can you pick the correct form? The answer is A, dress. What's your answer? Yes, the right answer is A, deer. Choose the right option. The answer is B, cookies. What is the singular or plural form here? Yes, the right answer is B, knives. Which one do you think is correct? The answer is A, star. What's the final answer? Yes, the right answer is B, parties. Well done! We have hit question 20. Still with me? Let's crank up the difficulty. Can you find the right word? The answer is B, photos. Which option is correct? Yes, the right answer is B, cacti. What's the correct answer? The answer is A, pencil. Is this singular or plural? Yes, the right answer is B, geese. What is your answer? The answer is B, butterflies. Which one is correct? Yes, the right answer is B, stories. What is the correct form of the word? The answer is A, cloud. Can you select the right answer? Yes, the right answer is B, shelves. What is the correct answer? The answer is B, coins. Which one is the right option? Yes, the right answer is B, heroes. What's the correct option? The answer is B, teeth. Can you choose the correct form? Yes, the right answer is A, raindrop. What is the right choice here? The answer is B, buses. Which word fits correctly? Yes, the right answer is B, mice. Do you know the correct answer? The answer is B, volcanoes. What's the correct word? Yes, the right answer is B, pennies. Can you pick the correct form? The answer is B, ladies. What's your answer? Yes, the right answer is A, firefly. Choose the right option. The answer is B, echoes. What is the singular or plural form here? Yes, the right answer is B, glasses. Awesome, 40 down, 10 to go. Think you're a grammar pro? Let's test that. The answer is B, tomatoes. What's the final answer? Yes, the right answer is A, wish. Can you find the right word? The answer is B, calves. Which option is correct? Yes, the right answer is B, diaries. What's the correct answer? The answer is A, roof. Is this singular or plural? Yes, the right answer is B, loaves. What is your answer? The answer is B, elves. Which one is correct? Yes, the right answer is A, tornado. What is the correct form of the word? The answer is A, crisis. Can you select the right answer? Yes, the right answer is B, quizzes. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 50 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!